Let's start with a question. Why do most people fail at self-improvement? It's not because they don't try hard enough. It's because they try to do too much, too fast. They go from zero to extreme, starting an intense gym routine, reading 5 books a week, or trying to change their entire life overnight. And what happens? They burn out, get frustrated, and quit. But here's the secret. You don't need massive action. You need small, consistent improvements. That's where the 1% rule comes in. What is the 1% rule? It's simple. Improve just 1% every day. Not 50%, not even 10%. Just 1%. It sounds tiny. Almost meaningless. But here's why it works. Imagine you improve by 1% every single day. In a year, you won't be 365% better. You'll be 37 times better. That's the power of small, consistent growth. But the best part, it doesn't feel hard. You won't feel overwhelmed because the progress is so small. It's almost effortless. All right, so how do you actually use this? Here are 3 simple ways to apply the 1% rule starting today. First, start ridiculously small. Want to read more? Read 1 page a day. Want to get in shape? Do 1 push-up. Want to wake up earlier? Set your alarm 1 minute earlier. Sounds too easy? That's the point. When you make progress feel effortless, you remove resistance and it becomes impossible to fail. Focus on consistency, not perfection. Most people fail because they miss a day and think, well, I've already messed up, might as well quit. Forget perfection. If you miss a day, just start again. The goal isn't to be perfect, it's to show up more often than not. Track your progress. What gets measured gets improved. Keep it simple. Use a notebook, a habit tracker, or even a note on your phone. When you see how far you've come, it'll keep you motivated to keep going. Now, imagine where you'd be a year from today if you started improving by just 1% daily. Stronger, smarter, more confident, and the best part, you won't feel overwhelmed getting there. Self-improvement isn't about doing more. It's about doing a little better every day, 1% at a time. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. What's 1 small habit you're going to start improving today? Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on becoming the best version of yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.